Yo guys, what is back? Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we have an extremely good build. We have a Power Wheels build inspired by Vasily and Grindhard Plumbing. We have here a blaster motor, which is going to be a big bore kit, and it's going to be 240cc. It's going to be having like 40 horsepower when it's complete. This is going to be the suspension off the blaster, and it's going to be looking good. I'm going to extend the body right here and chop it, and it'll be extended by 6 to 8 inches. So this thing's gonna be a beast. Can't wait. Let's start disassembling and putting everything together. Get my Yamaha blaster to run, so let's try to get some spark. Right now I'm gonna be taking off the oil pump place. Let's see if they replaced it or changed it. Oh yeah, they did the block off. That is sweet. That's work for me. All right, so we have to do premix of gas and oil. I took apart this because there was a little wire strip there. So yeah, let's see if we get some spark. I put a new coil. Let's see what happens. Right now I'm taking out the reeds, and this is gonna tell me whether this thing is built. All right, so our carbon fiber reeds are supposed to come tomorrow. As you can see, there is a gap. I can flip this thing over. You guys can see there is air, and that is not gonna let it start for sure or run. Great. So definitely replacing them. They're coming tomorrow, and that will be the moment of truth to see if this thing will start or not. Finally put everything back together, and tomorrow morning I'm gonna see if this thing could get running. I've already put the reeds and everything, so let's come back in the morning.
The next day.
I'm here trying to get this thing started. I got the muffler on, this thing on, I got the carb on, the reeds, everything. Now I'm just trying to see if this thing would run. I'm getting spark that I know of. I have this rigged up throttle here. Now I'm gonna see if this thing's gonna start. Throttle, kick. Should I go full throttle? Let me see. Alright, so I found out that I was not getting spark at all. The stator was no good, and like I said, I had to replace the reeds because they had air and a gap in each and every one of those pieces. So I had to order new reeds and also as well as a stator. Should I go full throttle? Let me see. So another thing I did clean out the carburetors. It is looking brand new, as you saw in the video. And I decided to install everything that came with, like the air filter, muffler, as you will see. You guys also wanted to know, I did change the computer and all that. Everything's new. I did go back to the stock one, and it's still doing the same thing. So yeah. It runs! Wow, finally, it's bogging, but I think that's due to fuel. Need some carb tuning, but man, it's finally doing its thing. It's running. It's man, so many weeks of trying to get this thing running. All I need to do was put a air filter and a muffler, and man. Alrighty, so that's gonna be it for this blaster motor and for this Jeep for now. Part 2 is going to be digging into the Jeep and cutting the body up and getting the chassis done. So yeah, the motor runs, as y'all saw. It was bogging, but I'll be testing and tuning. I was just going to sit there until it gets started. Have a new build, sneak peek. Almost done, so stay tuned. Like I said, Jeep build's about to get started. Stay tuned and God bless. Catch you on the next video.